Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see how to operate a robot vacuum cleaner. On the sides you see a power button. Press it on. And if the robot vacuum cleaner is fully charged, it will turn to be blue. There are 3 different settings. Let's see how the spot thing works. We're just finding a spot and trying to do in circles. In the next video, we'll talk about other 2 modes. This time, the spot setting makes a big circle. Now that we learned about spot cleaning in the previous videos, let's try clean option. Clean. Now that we learned about clean option, in the next video we'll talk some other mode. Now we are going to see how it works under the bed. Like you see, I just gone there and waiting. In this video we are going to try max. Now that we know how it works on the carpet, we are going to see how it works in the kitchen floor. Press max. Like humans are cleaning, the robot cleans just the way it cleans is different. It goes in its own way and it picks up its directions based on the sensors. Now that we saw the regular carpet and floor cleaning, we're going to try the basement carpet. By pressing max, press max. By watching all these videos, it looks like on the floor it's going very fast. Then in the basement, little bit slower than that. On the regular carpet, some more further down. It takes more time than how the humans clean the places. But it's less work. Now we are going to watch how it's going to get back to the dock station. See, it's blinking. That means the charger is down. Now let's see how to clean this. Go here, press this button, then pull this out. See? All the dusts are inside. Did you see that? Okay. We're gonna clean it. Catch you later. Bye.